Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania, a Jamaican content creator here in Guyana, learning the culture and interacting with great people. I want you to watch this video guys, as you will learn a lot, especially if you're making the decision to start your business, and you will see the type of small businesses, products that Guyana has to offer to the world. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.
Guyana shop and the parent company is the Guyana Marketing Corporation, right? And this, well, I'm going to explain a little bit more once we go inside there, right? Located at Rob Street, Alexander Street, Georgetown border. This is border area. This is the Guyana shop that is located at Rob Street and Alexander Street in border, the heart of Georgetown, and you're going to get to see some fun stuff. We start our market tour at the Guyana shop for a few reasons. We show off our local products,
that's smaller than this.
food processors, the agro processors, where you get to meet. Two, everything is labeled right. Like some of the stuff that you see here, yes, you can get it on the marketplace, but Jamaica is good. The Caribbean islands is good. You can buy your stuff and take it out. But if you want to go internationally, you must. It must be labeled right, sealed right, and everything. And this is what the Guyana Marketing Corporation does. Helps the agro processors to get to this point where you can see this on Amazon. This is actually on Amazon, this company.
Red Heat.
Right?
Oh,
the Umami.
Umami.
Yeah. They're on Amazon. Just look at the packaging. And like I said, we've been on the low for a very long time. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. We've been on the low for a very long time, and the world needs to see us now. They need to know about us now.
Yeah.
Right? So I can see this in a Trader Joe's,
So everything that is
in a supermarket. Made in most of it.
Most.
98% of it. Right? 98% of it is made right here in Guyana. Some of the stuff on the outside, on the outskirts there, well, you're going to see. I'll point it out to you. If I see one or two, I'll point it out to you. That you can't really get on the outside, you can come here and get that, right? And most of the products that is here, this is a big company. Most of the products that's in here are started by women who farm in these small communities. You got to go way out. In Letem, Northwest, in the Maroon, started by women. These women who their husband went into the mining district to accumulate more money, find gold, and they think that that's more money, right? And the women now are left with the farms, so that's where they start processing and doing all these things. That's where the coconut oil and everything came in. We've been doing coconut oil since the 60s. Well, before then, long time ago, we've been doing coconut oil.
In terms of sales? In
terms of sales, now we're starting to see that. Everyone, I'm 77 born. And growing up, I knew of everyone making coconut oil. So you couldn't go and say, oh yeah, I would buy it, like the Tong people. Jamal is a Tong man. Tong man is going to go in the store and he can buy coconut oil. But when you're growing up in the country now, everyone is making that. You see? So, but now it's popularized and we're using more of that. I cannot show you off olive oil because there's no olive tree here in Guyana. I'll show you coconut trees, right? There. So you're gonna see tons of that here, all of our local products. And
you manufacture a lot of pepper then, because most of the thing that I'm seeing is mostly pepper sauce in the stores, at the restaurants.
Remember I said we were a spicy country?
Yeah.
And that's what it is. We like our spices. And everything must be seasoned well. You see? So the only thing you guys have spicy, like really spicy, is the jerk.
Our jerk sauce, we have hot sauce as well, and stuff like that. but it's mostly the Scotch bonnet pepper
Right.
that does all of that. But here you have a variety of
You
peppers.
have a variety of peppers, you different flavors. So we flavor it with tamarind, we flavor it with mango, we flavor it with the sorsi, right? We have this other product we call the achar, which is the chutney. You see? So you make it with mango, you make it with the sorsi or the bilimbi.
The Cersei?
Yeah. Or Guyanese word, one word, right? Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah. Right? By the time you're done, you're gonna speak in Guyanese. Right? Here is a product. So this is what our cassava bread is.
Oh, but it's harder than ours.
It's harder because yours is fried and yours is thicker.
Yes, but this is
So you actually cook the cassava first and soak it in the milk and then fry it. You see? But this is baked on a tawa. Is you see the metal pans, that the pots that you guys have selling around? I saw a lot of those. Like,
Yeah.
we call it the they got a fancy name, but there's a flat pan that we make that on, and then we put that on the fireside and we make this.
okay.
Right? I think Jamal is going to take you to the museum to get to show you the matapi and all of that. He's going to give you the rundown on that. So I'm not going to take away from what he's doing. Right? But he's going to show you a little bit more on cassava. And here is another product that we have from cassava that is going to put some of the food products out there. Give it a run. So this is farine, which is similar to your couscous or the quinoa. Obviously, I'm going to tell you that this is better than couscous and quinoa, right?
How is this prepared though?
We're going to do some for you.
Okay.
So save that thought right there. Farine is going to be part of our lunch. What do you like eating? What is your thing? You like the fish? Well, I see that.
Yeah.
What do you?
Throw away these. Jamal, throw away. Fish.
You like fish? This would go perfect with the fish. The
I
farine.
don't even know what you offer.
I know it's his thing, but
It's
no.
just you would have to prepare something.
I just want to know meat-wise, what should we prepare?
I eat chicken.
You eat chicken?
Fish. I eat fish, and that's it.
You was really excited about the fish thing, so I think we're gonna choose
Yes,
fish
we will select
to
the
be the
fish.
meat. So we're gonna do fish. We're gonna do some farine, so you get to taste that, and I'll show you how that is done. And maybe you get to buy some and take back there. So it's another byproduct from cassava, and this is not just any regular cassava. This is the bitter cassava that has the cyanide in it.
Oh, the one that we don't eat.
Correct. Just like how you have the
I think
ackee and
we
you gotta
say
wait.
it's poisonous.
It is just like the ackee, but it's a process.
Oh, okay.
And this is what Jamal is going to show you there too. But as a quick rundown, not taking away from what he's going to show you, the process on that. You get that bitter cassava, you grate it, you put it in a matapi. He's going to show you what the matapi is. You squeeze that juice out, that cyanide out, right? And then you cook it. As you cook it and boil it, I don't even want to show this one here that has my photo and I'm not even getting paid from.
Where is it?
Right? You really want to see it too? I want to show you that one.
No, let me see that one.
Right? I'll show you one. I'll show you one that doesn't have my photo on it. So here is Kazrip, and this supposed to be cassava Kazrip, right? With the juice that you squeeze out and you boil it and you cook it for a very, very long time, and you get Kazrip. Feel how dense it is, from a liquid almost a solid. Very dense.
Oh, Kazarip.
Kazrip. And this is what we mean.
Kazrip.
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 Right. Kazrip.
I saw Kazarip there.
You said no, I told you.
Kaza.
Kaza. No.
Kazarip.
Kazrip.
Kazrip.
Kazrip. Yeah. So you forget about this A.
Yes.
Right? Forget about that A. Kazrip.
Okay.
Don't pronounce the A.
Okay.
Yeah. Right? So you got the Kazrip. So that's another byproduct from the cassava. You see? So many things you can do with cassava, and what we're doing, we're learning from the Brazilians when it comes to cassava. Cassava was founded about 8 to 10,000 years ago in Brazil and the southern part of Bolivia, right? So that's where cassava came from, and because they had it for so long, they're ahead of the game. You see?
Yes.
And we're learning from them. This is where we get the farine from, right? That farine, and it's so good. You're gonna understand.
When you're through, I'm just gonna
do the run around.
Yeah.
You were talking about your chocolate, right? And I didn't want to say anything. Is your chocolate better than ours? I'm not.
Cocoa sticks.
Correct. It's the same. You see? And it's really good too. Right? Like I said, we love our Jamaicans. Anywhere you go in any country, right? Yeah, well, Jamaica has the best of this. I was there with my tour guide, and the tour guide is telling me everything has the best, right? So you're in Guyana, so please be in for an earful that Guyana has the best of everything.
Yeah.
So here is our best cocoa chocolate sticks. It is good. It is good. And again, like I said, they have this story here. This is a group of women that came together.
Yes.
And they have a bunch of different products that they have out there, and they're coming from a different part of Guyana. This is from the northwest of Guyana.
That's what region?
That's Mabarumaba is region what? Region 1. There are 10 regions here in Guyana, and Mabaruma is northwest is region 1. Georgetown is region.
Oh, those are
Region
Guyanese
4.
biscuits.
Yes, kind of similar to what you have, what you'd put in the fish.
No, I saw somebody bought one for me. Triscuit, but I was reading it. Yeah, but I didn't know that it would have been in this store.
Right. So, like I said, this is the Guyana shop. It shows off everything going on here in Guyana. You see? This young man here is doing raw chocolate too. So instead of that.
So in Guyana, they support their small businesses.
Well, that's what folks like myself is trying to do. Right? Here's another tour guide right over there. You got the thing there. Watch you there with the sharp pants.
Hi.
He's doing the shopping. So it's another tour guide. Tour guides meeting up.
Oh, you have tours going on.
Yeah. Right? So it's an initiative that a group of us picked up because, like I said, we've been in the background for too long. And how do you get the attention of the world? One hand can't make it. We say one hand don't clap.
Yes, one hand can't clap.
One hand can't clap. So you need two hands, right? So we created the platform. It's working, and we're bringing everybody up with us. So this is why I started the market tour here, to showcase all that they're doing here in Guyana when it comes to women and what it is that we're promoting and producing right here in Guyana.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, this here is another fantastic young lady. This is a coconut biscuit.
It looks similar to our donkey corn. You ever tried our donkey corn before? Jackass corn?
What is it?
It's like flour and probably sugar mixed up, and it's very hard. When you bite it, you can't.
That's the bun thing, man. This is the bun. They call it a bun, right?
Oh no.
I got it in the US. And it's smooth on top.
But it's hard.
Yes.
It's really hard.
Yeah.
We call it the donkey corn or jackass corn.
Oh. But that's a different name they call it in the US.
I'm not sure.
Again, a product that we would get in our childhood days, and this young lady came back out and she is doing that now, and I'm telling you, it's amazing product she has right there. The sorrel concentrate. I know you guys are big on this too.
Yes.
Right, so we got this concentrate at Christmas time. This is what you're going to be having everywhere. The sorrel. So it's sorrel, mabi, and ginger beer.
I realized I tasted the sorrel drink yesterday. You guys don't use rum in your sorrel.
You put rum in the sorrel?
Yeah, in Jamaica.
No, you have to put that here because it's too expensive. We're not gonna put rum in the sorrel. We don't waste rum, someone.
Oh, in Jamaica though, to get the real true Jamaican sorrel drink during Christmas time, the rum is added.
So that is the secret, Ray nephew.
Yes. But I tasted your own and it wasn't added.
No,
it's just normal with sugar.
I'm sorry, my dear.
Ginger.
Our rum is special.
Oh.
If you want to make your sorrel drink special here in Guyana, please add your rum. Do so on your expense.
Oh.
Right? We got all the local stuff. Well, you know this. I went to
so
Ocho.
maybe because we produce the rum, it would be a little bit cheaper for us to purchase.
We produce rum here too.
Oh.
And some of the best.
Okay.
Every year we've been winning competition from how long, Jamal? This is no gimmick. Right? I know we're gonna say that they
had to pull it out actually from the competition for a little bit because it's been winning too much consecutive time.
Every year we win every competition.
One of them had like 7 years straight winning. It's either 15 or 12, 15-year-old El Dorado, that is. Maybe very specific with that. 15-year-old El Dorado.
Good morning. But for me, that's like so high on the shelf. I gotta call Jamal. Hey Jamal, I know you can reach that. Like I said, he's the #1 tour guide, man. This guy here, he can reach that. Me, I gotta. And here is one of the shelves that we were talking about, right? You got all the different oil, soap made from coconut, right? Not only coconut, we have different stuff, but you got coconut oil products here. Back in the days, it was just one thing we knew about. There's the coconut oil, and that's it. Now you have the virgin coconut oil and all these different things that we got here. You want to get over here, Uncle? You could. Okay, go ahead, and then I'll come back again. Here is another one that would blow your mind. It says crab oil, right?
Crab oil, yeah, crab oil.
You should know about this too. I think you have it's not from crabs. It's the anaeroba seed. It comes from the anaeroba tree.
Oh, okay.
Right?
I don't know that tree.
And this is a healing oil. You can use it for massaging. You can use
pain.
It for
feeling pain.
Yes. It takes away rashes. All of that. Right? Watch this coconut oil. Take a look at that. You see how it lock up nicely there?
Yeah. But these would be very expensive back home.
Very, very expensive.
And it's so cheap here, like 1,000.
The 1,600, so
that's like 800 Jamaican.
$5. So this is like there's like $8 US you see in there.
Yeah, so it would be about $1,000 Jamaican or 900.
And how much is that US?
Same.
This is the same.
Yeah, but our money would be a little bit less than yours.
Okay, but this is why we shouldn't look at the expense. You're going to get the opportunity to go around to these farms and you get to see, hopefully you get to see some of the process it has to go through to make this. This is the virgin coconut oil. So you have to grate the coconut, and most of the places doesn't have a grating machine. I'll show you a machine in the market.
Yes.
Some of these people doesn't have machines. They have to grate it by hands.
And boil it?
This is not cooked.
Oh.
This is sun-baked.
Oh, you put it in the sun.
And let it drip slowly. That's some of them, right? Then you got some of them leave it overnight, and they keep scooping the top off, and they. Jamal got me missing a beat here, man. I can't deal with Jamal today. No, Jamal.
Before you head around to the next side, right? I know you would have dealt.
I'll come closer.
You would have dealt with persons from Ministry of Agriculture and so on.
Yeah.
If you're not familiar with what our president looks like or prime minister, if you can turn the camera and look up here, this showcases our current president here, Dr. Mohammed Irfan Ali. You have Brigadier Mark Phillips, which is our Prime Minister, and this here is the Minister of Agriculture. Currently.
Oh, okay.
Right, so since you've been going around with the Ministry of Agriculture, seeing the farms and so on,
yes.
this is the Minister of Agriculture and our Prime Minister and President, alright?
Yes.
So I'll hand you back over to Delvin so you can showcase more of the Guyana shop.
Yes, good for you, man, right? So this is it right there. I had to come out of Jamal way from his distraction, right? So that's good. Yeah, Jamal. And here it is. We got some more flowers, like all the root vegetables, the ground food, the food, what you guys call food, eh? We take that and turn it into flour also. Do you guys do that? Planting flour, the yam
but it's
flour.
not that popular. You have some small businesses that are doing it now and coming up with it, but it's not on a large scale. Yes.
One of the things that we found out here, we as in a group of people here in Guyana, a lot of folks can't stand the gluten, right? And they want to go gluten free, whether it's celiac disease, whatever autoimmune disease they have that allergic to the gluten.
Yes.
So these are all gluten free products. And we've been doing gluten-free flour for so long, right? All over here. You have even your coconut flour. So they take coconut and we make a coconut flour.
Oh.
Yeah.
$600? Oh
Yeah.
my God, that is so reasonable.
Right? That's like $3 US,
Like $200
$2.50.
Jamaican, 300 Jamaican.
So this is why the Guyana shop is the place to be. Send all the Jamaicans down to Guyana and let them shop and go back.
Or tell them to come down.
Yeah.
Invite them. You have the opportunity now.
We want to invite all Jamaicans to come to Guyana and experience what Guyana is like. I've been to Jamaica. Now that I've been to Jamaica and I love it, you guys, I already tell them already, Jamaica is so big it's not an island no more. We're gonna rename it. Jamaica is a country, right? And I need my citizenship because I love Jamaica so much.
Yes.
Right? So tell your minister I gotta get my citizenship for Jamaica so I can travel freely. But use your passport because you were part of the CARICOM. Come down to Guyana and see what it is. It's not a joke. It's Guyana has so much to offer, right? And one of the things is our food. Our main thing is our food that we have.
Yes.
It's in abundance. And
The
then you're going to get to
food
see that out
the
in the
food is
marketplace.
plenty.
Yeah.
Food everywhere.
Yeah. We have a wide variety of food. All of our special spices. Check this. This is a cassava season. Have you ever seen this before?
This is my first time seeing cassava season.
Right?
All purpose too.
Right? So we take cassava and do everything. And for this product right here to be on the shelf, I am proud of this processor. I've been out to the loop for a bit when it comes to our processors, but I'm going to be going around to just make it known with our processors. You see?
Yeah.
And this is a proud moment for me, passing through and seeing this.
I'm happy to see this as well because I'll be honest with you, if you did not point this out here for me, no. This is the first of me seeing
That is the
cassava
first time I am
purpose
seeing it.
I was like, what?
Right? So you take the cassava powder,
good.
you put your garlic powder, put all that stuff, and then you can season your food with it.
Yes.
Right? Add it to a salad or something. You see? Boom. Right there.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
And you can tell it. So it's cassava, garlic powder, this right here, this right here. As a matter of fact, let me get a photo and then we're gonna show it off.
I'm just about to do the same thing.
Very proud moment for us right here.
You almost
Cassava seasoning.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We don't make joke with our curry. This is one of our #1 brand and
Curry.
right? The indie curry, and that's what I took to Jamaica and we did the goat curry.
Oh, curry goat.
I was just there waiting for you to say it. Another Guyanese company that makes a fantastic curry too, right? So this is it in a nutshell. This is what the Guyana shop is all about, and all different types of honey and Here it is. Here it is right here, right? One of the things that I wanted to show you up, right?
Redoman.
But you gotta, the label says it all, right? And again, this is where our patwa comes into, right?
Oh, the Redoman.
So you know.
But how do you say the woman? Just like how I said it, or you stress the
Redoman.
Oh, okay.
Right? And for anybody else to understand, red woman. Right? But fast, red woman. And just read the ingredients. I'm not going to, or the story behind the red woman one.
Oh, she tasted sweet like wine, liquid sunshine in my mouth as we kissed our tongues playing together. She is creamy, luscious, bodacious, or bodacious. Bodacious, sensual, delicious. Yeah, sense arousing, erotic, exciting, flirtatious. Okay.
Hey man, this is every woman, right?
Yes.
But we just had to exaggerate a little bit with the red woman one.
Yes.
Right, Jamal?
So it's a regular wine.
Listen,
It's a
how can we sell it? Everyone has a wine. How can we as a people, as a company, sell a wine that gets everybody to touch it, to pick it up, to buy it, take it home, share it with a friend, and have a laugh?
Redoman.
Right? All right, here is another one. This is the Pulse wine from the Pandarma folks. If Jamal, no.
It's too sad.
Yeah, man. A really nice place on the Linden Highway, and this is an energy wine. In Jamaica, they have this energy drink that has all of these different concoction in it. These barks and vines came from the rainforest. So again, read some of the ingredients that's in there.
Hold on. Capadula bark.
Capadula bark.
Cockshot.
Cockshon.
This is what? Sarsaparilla.
Sarsaparilla.
Pantibora.
Pantibora.
Devil door dark.
Devil door
Granny
bark.
backbone. Yeah. Monkey leather, ginger, sugar. Well, I know the last three.
Right. Right? So
Yeah.
now with something like this now, it gives you that energy and it wakes up, you know, helps the blood
bones,
flow
everything.
and everything. And this is good for men and women.
Okay.
What it actually does, it just for the women, how to explain? Kids are gonna be watching, right? Opens up the pelvic area.
Okay.
Helps blood to flow more. Same with men. It actually get to purify the blood somewhat.
It's
with
a
some
wine?
of these bark. It's a wine.
Wine. Okay.
But you take a shot of it if you do this for a good.
Inside our barks.
Yeah, barks.
There are a few barks.
Stuff that comes from the rainforest is it can either hurt you really bad,
Yes.
or heal you.
Yes.
And so these here can actually heal you indeed. Even though it's a spoof, you come, you touch the wine, you think it, and the ingredients, but the capadula, all of that, you got men and women capadula right there in the rainforest.
Yep.
And that actually helps with your blood, purifies your blood.
Okay.
And if your blood is pure and good, you get good blood flow. And if you get good blood flow, everything feels and works
Great.
perfectly. Right? So just wanted to show you up. And this is one of our founding fathers too. It's a husband and wife team. They're on the Linden Highway. Pandarma. They came back from the US and they started this lovely wine company, right? And a few weeks ago, the husband passed away,
Oh.
who was a really good friend of mine.
Yes.
And he passed away, left us suddenly from,
The description of the
right. Here it is right here. This is the capadula?
Yeah.
Right, so this is the capadula.
Bark is a great back tonic for men. It is a very good nerve medicine. Cadadula strengthens both the spine and reproductive organs.
And you can probably show you what it looks like. This is the bark.
And it's just a strip. We're gonna get to see the real thing outside. Like
yeah,
the full,
so you can boil it. Guys, remember to like, share, and comment on the video, subscribe to the video, and I want you to continue to watching the videos and the new content that are being provided. Thank you for watching Chat
that's it for the Guyana
Jamaican.
shop. You get all that you need here.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of